Okay, a snooker ball. The white ball hits off the cushion and comes back and hits the red ball. It travels 85 centimeters to the cushion, bounces off an angle of 88 degrees, and then travels another 30 centimeters before hitting the ball. Find the total distance travelled by the white ball correct to the nearest centimeter. And it also bounces back off the red ball and returns to its original position, does it? Yeah. I know. Right, but anyways, so here's what happens. We have to get the total distance. The whole question is, we have to find out this distance from here to here, all the way back again. So we need to find the length of all three sides. Let's say in an exam, you haven't got a clue about this. Here's some way to pick up a mark right away. Just say, call it X and say total distance equals 85 plus 30 plus X, right? That'll put you on, that's a very minor attempt, but something, okay? Next thing you could do, and I mean this without even making an effort at anything else, what you could do is not scribble all over your paper like you did there a second ago. What you could do next is you can just write down the sine rule and the cosine rule. And once again, that under leaving cert marking scheme is attempt marks, okay? So A over sine A. And this is just finding your equations in your log tables. Huh?
If you can't use the sine rule, will it not look bad?
Apparently not. Okay, now it's going to look bad anyway, so that looks less bad. Okay? Lads, we're going to start with the sine rule. We're going to label all the angles. We're going to label this one W and this one R. Let's try the sine rule out. So what would be a good sine rule? We're looking for the length X, aren't we?
Yeah.
X over sine 88 equals, pick one. 30 over sine W. We also could have tried to use 85 over sine R. Now what's the problem with both of them anyway? Don't know W, don't know X, and we wouldn't know R anyway. So basically, it's a no-go. Okay? So now you know it's a no-go. You just go back to the cosine rule. So that's the cosine rule, head with the cosine rule. What do you think?
Yeah.
So we're going to go for X squared equals 85 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 85 times 30 cos 88. You're going to go straight to the calculator. And you're going to get is 85 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 85 times 85 times 30 cos 88. Now what I do, guys, in the exam, I leave it as that there, so 7947, yeah? X squared equals 7947.013, I suppose. And then I just square root the answer here, so square root, don't need to type that in again. Square root of answer, 89. Yes?
If you said A squared instead of X squared, just out of habit, would you use marks?
No. Yes?
I got that, like, first I got that right, but I thought I got it wrong because it was such a big number.
You thought you had it wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, don't never do that, just follow it through.
Okay, no.
Yes?
Did I do the same as I did the other questions?
Is your answer 89, Dennis?
What?
Is your answer
I
89?
didn't get that up.
Well, then you've just made an error in moving the stuff over. Just this one you don't have to move anything over, you just have to put it into the calculator. So you just get your numbers mixed up. Lads, so where they'll get you is, this is not the answer, and most students, a lot of students, even really smart ones, would stop right there. If the question specifically says total distance, so we have to add 89 to 30 to 85. I think that adds up to 204.
Yeah.
So that's where they'll get you. That's where they'll prove who's somebody who pays attention to the language and who's somebody who doesn't pay attention to the language. Okay? So, this one here, once again, now, I know I can't do a sine rule straight away. Can anybody tell me why I can't do a sine rule? In a sine rule, you need one angle at least. Do I have any angles?
No.
No. Has to be a cosine rule straight away. Okay. Which angle do you want?
The one I call it.
This one here, call it X. Do you have a question?
I go through my world.
Have you done this one already?
Yeah, it's right.
Okay, well, there you go. So what we're going to get is 8 squared plus 25 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 25 times 30 cos what we call an X. Now lads, just got to put all these into the calculator. So it's going to be 64. I'm going to move the 25 squared over to your side. It's going to be minus 625. We're going to move the 30 squared over to your side. That's going to be minus 900. Then I'm going to put all this red part into the calculator. I should get
Minus 1.
50 times 30 minus 1. Sorry, that's minus 1,500.
Yeah.
Cos X. What's this turn into, Sam? 64 minus 65 minus 100?
1,461.
Minus 1461 equals minus 1,500 cos X. Now, what can we do next, you reckon?
Right, I'll try to do the other one.
Huh? Cos X equals minus 1461 over minus 1,500. Whatever this number turns into, cos inverse it. Anybody know what number that turns into?
0.97.
0.97. So just cos inverse 0.97. What you get?
14 degrees.